In this video, you'll learn how to create presentations using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through each step to ensure a smooth experience while utilizing this innovative tool. First, navigate to the Kimi AI website, open your web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with various options for creating a new project. Next, locate the prompt area on the main screen. This section is typically prominent and allows you to enter specific commands or requests. Click on this area to activate it, ensuring you are ready to type your instructions. After you've clicked on the prompt area, type in the phrase, "Create presentations about business marketing." This specific command will direct Kimi AI to generate a presentation tailored to the topic of business marketing. Once you've entered your request, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will submit your command to Kimi AI, and you will see a brief loading indicator or message confirming that your request is being processed. Now, it is important to wait for Kimi AI to generate your presentation. During this time, the system may display a progress bar or a message indicating that it is compiling the information. Depending on the complexity of the request and the current load on the server, this may take a few moments. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. After a short wait, Kimi AI will present the generated slides for your review. You can now explore the content, make any necessary adjustments, or download the presentation directly to your device. Remember to check the file size if you plan to share it, as larger files may take longer to upload or download depending on your internet speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next